Piercing pattern. Piercing pattern is a bullish reversal pattern. It shows that buyers are momentarily in control. The larger it is, the more significant. These are the conditions of piercing pattern. So let's try to understand how does a piercing pattern looks like. So to form a piercing pattern, at first we need a bearish candle or a red candle and followed by a green candle or a bullish candle. So what is the condition? There's only one. There are two conditions that after the red candle, there should be a green candle, and the green candle should open below the red candle and should close above the 50% of the body of the red candle. So you can see on the screen, this is a big red candle, and after that, a green candle, and the green candle has opened here, open below the previous red candle and close above the 50% of the body of the red candle. Red candle followed by green candle, and the green candle should open below the red candle and should close above the 50% of the body of the red candle. This is the condition of the piercing pattern. So let me show you how does it look like on chart. Market was in downturn, market was going down. You can see there was a severe selling pressure from above, so market was going down. After that, there's a green candle which opened below the red candle and has closed above the 50% of the body of the red candle. So what is this? This is a piercing pattern, and as mentioned earlier, piercing pattern signifies bullish reversal pattern. So buyers came in and there was a change in trend. Market was in downtrend, piercing pattern formed. Bulls came in or buyers came in and there was a change in trend and market started going up from here after the piercing pattern. So this is a dark cloud cover. This is the opposite of piercing pattern. We'll be covering in the next lesson. Again, you see market was in downtrend, market was going down, and this is a big red candle, then followed by green candle. See, green candle open slight below the red candle and close above the 50% of the body of the red candle. So this is a piercing pattern, and after that you see that market started going up. So this is how a piercing pattern looks like. Hopefully you all have understood. See you in next lesson. Thank you so much.